The tall profile Uni-Guide linear slide is engineered to deliver oil-free, smooth, and quiet linear motion in a robust assembly. This linear rail system stands out for its suitability in contaminated environments and clean rooms, offering exceptional performance even under extreme conditions like wide temperature ranges and heavy particulates. The UGT features a 40mm tall profile linear guide rail, enhancing long span rigidity and providing a substantial structural base for high load applications. Equipped with a self-lubricating FrelonGOLD liner, this linear bearing rail system offers low wear, high load capacities, and maintenance-free operation, ideal for heavy-duty linear guide rails. The angled design of the linear guide rail ensures effective washdown capabilities, preventing buildup of particulates and chemicals, which is crucial for linear rail systems used in hygienic applications. Features a hard-coat anodized rail, making the linear slide rails resistant to contaminants and suitable for harsh environments.